Hi everyone, it's Brenda from Ride, Ohio. Don't mind my messy garage, but today I'd like to talk to you about when your bike is in the garage and you don't have a cover on it and it gets dusty, what to use instead of using water. So I'm going to show you this product that I got from Adventure, but first I'm going to show you my bike. This is my bike, my Black Beauty. And then we went somewhere, I think Indiana or something, at a truck stop, and I found this sticker, and it just says, "You've got passed by a girl." Just so everybody knows, hey, don't mess with me. I'm the girl on that bike. And then this is Roger's bike, and he rides it. Don't worry about washing it. But that's his bike. He used to have a white one, and then he had a pothole and damaged the rim on it. So it was during the pandemic, and it took forever for it to get the rim back. Sorry. So it took forever to get the rim back. So we ended up just trading his bike in for a new bike. So the product that I wanted to share with you was Special Surfaces Cleaner. S2 or S100. I don't know if anyone has tried this. It's good when you're out and about, out on the bike, and you get bugs or whatever, and you just want it to shine a little bit. You just spray a little bit on and take your microfiber rag and just wipe it. And it comes out and makes all the chrome looking shiny. But as you see, mine is dusty and I need to clean it. I just haven't done that yet. But I wanted to just go over the product with you and see if anyone has tried it, because it's really good stuff. So I hope everyone is liking our videos, and if you could just do a little survey for us and tell us what are we doing wrong? Do we need to do something different with our videos? Because we need more likes, we need more subscriptions. Please, please, please help us. Hope you have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.